You know that feeling when you stare at your Fujifilm camera and you just can't decide which recipe to use. Yeah, it's the same for me. So I stopped deciding. I let an app pick one for me.
Hey, what's up? My name is Joe, and on this channel I test analog film recipes and cheap cameras, so you don't have to.
So I grabbed my X-T4 with the 16-80 and headed out. After arriving at the parking spot, I opened the FujiXWeekly app, hit random, and it gave me Kodak Plus-X 125. A classic black and white recipe. High contrast, fine grain. Not something I would have picked myself on a winter day. But well, that's kind of the point, right? The sun was out, but everything else was grey. Bare trees, frozen ground, a bit of ice and snow here and there. Typical January. One thing I noticed pretty fast. The recipe uses Fujifilm's clarity option. So every shot takes a bit longer to process. You press the shutter and you wait. It slows you down. Which, honestly, on a day like this, that felt right. In the forest was where it really came together. The contrast between those dark trunks and the muted background, the recipe just handled it beautifully. These are straight out of the camera, no editing, and for a completely random pick, I'm honestly happy with how they turned out. The recipe is contrasty, a bit crunchy, and it really works in that sunny but grey winter light. The only downside is the big clarity lag. It makes every shot a bit slower. But weirdly, that's also what I like about it. It forces you to slow down, just like film. My verdict. I would absolutely use this recipe again, especially on an overcast winter day or in the forest. But if you need to shoot fast, this clarity lag might annoy you.
If you want to see more random recipe challenges, let me know down in the comments. And yeah, that's it for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe and like, and thank you for watching. Cheers!